How to enable global search in Telegram app. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can enable global search in Telegram app. So let's dive in. So first you have to open your Telegram app, and once you're on your Telegram app you simply have to just pull down the tab over here, and then it's going to give you the search bar. Once you click the search bar, now you have enabled the global search on Telegram. You can search for chats, channels, apps, media, links, files, music, voice, or anything that you like. For example, if you go to apps and search for Instagram, just type in Instagram over here, and then you can just search for it. Right now my internet is down, so it's not showing any options, but you can simply search for channels, apps, media, links, files, music, voice, and all these options simply by enabling this search by pulling this tab down. Once you pull this tab down, it's going to give you the search bar that you can use to search for anything that you want. And that's how you enable global search on Telegram app. Thanks for watching.